Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on the application of CapCut. You will go to settings. Here you will go to settings in this first page. Then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about CapCut and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. And here when you will end all the steps, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.